Hi there, welcome back to another interesting video. You are watching NFV Tech, and today I'm going to unboxing the Havit RGB light bar. Like, this is a speaker you can use as a aux mode and in a wireless mode, and also this is quite good for gaming. So let's unbox it. Here is our product. As they have mentioned, we can use it as a bar, and also we can separate them to use as a stereo speaker. So let me connect and I will show you the sound and the bass of the speaker. Is it good to buy or not? Like, you will understand the differences of any budget speaker and any like flagship speaker. This is quite budget friendly speaker for the user who wants a decent sound for gaming and listen to music. So let's connect it. You can hear the sound of the speaker. Like, I can make it louder. This is the full volume of this speaker. If I down, the volume would be this. And this is the full volume of the speaker. As I have increased the volume of full sound, now you can hear it. And if you want to change the mode, then you can change it by pressing this button.
Bluetooth mode.
And also RGB mode, this can be changed by pressing this button. Like, there are various modes they have provided for you as your wish, whatever theme you want to use as a RGB mode, it's totally up to you. And overall, I would say that this is a decent budget friendly speaker for the user who is looking for a simple sound, like also enjoy gaming for the stereo speaker mode, also friendly of surface. And that's all about the Havit speaker. And if you really love this video, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like on this video. And thanks for watching.